Today I'm going to show you how I made this pull-out under stair storage. I still need to clean it up and trim it out on the front, but I'm going to show you how I put this together and how I mounted it under the stairs. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pine and I'm going to build a box. So I'm going to build the two sides and the front and back panel first. Make sure whenever you measure for that you include a 1/2 inch on both sides to accommodate for the drawer slide. Next I'm going to glue everything together, and I'm also going to use a brad nailer to secure that. I overlapped the front panel, and on the back panel I inset it. I only did that to make sure I had room. Next I'm going to cut the bottom panel. Once I had the bottom panel nailed on, I routed the edges to make sure it wasn't sharp. And then I moved on to securing the box into the stairs. So here I'm measuring for the drawer slides. I wanted my drawer to sit about 3/4 of an inch off the bottom stair under it, just so that way it didn't rub if there was any weight put into it. So I marked a line where I wanted the slides to be on the stringer of the stairs, and there I'm showing you where I'm going to put the bottom of the drawer slide. Then I secured the drawer slides onto the box. As you can see here, I actually tried a face frame on, but I didn't like it. I'll add one later. As you can see, the next thing I did was I created a second box for the next stairs, and I routed it on the edges to make it smooth. And here's the finished product. If this video helped you at all or gave you an idea, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks.